going on YouTube? I'm gonna pick a lock today. So I got a dark spot in my screen. No, I did not go pick up a light today. That will be a tomorrow project if I get to the store. I am going to pick one from that I got in a trade from. Oh wow, went blank there. Locking Paul. This one is an American. There's the bidding on the key, and this one is actually from K1 Locks. So I don't know what he's got in there. I don't know if this is a challenge lock or nothing. So we're gonna pick this open and see what K1 put in there and see what's going on with it. Alright. Huh. I didn't even touch anything and I got a false set. How you like that? Hope everyone's doing good. I'm sure everyone knows, because pretty much everyone that's subscribed to me is subscribed to Mr. Bill Bacardi too. But go over, show him some love on his page. He's having a hard time right now. But go over and show him some love. Just let him know that you're thinking of him. Alright. And counter on 5. Alrighty. Yeah, no folks, I didn't call that one out, so. But it is picked, it is open. So let's zoom out. And got a screwdriver here. While I'm taking this apart, I'll give you all the same spiel that I give every time. K1 Locks and Mr. Locking Paul, both of their channels are going to be in my description. Of course, as always, my Discord link is in the description. I haven't seen a whole lot of people coming over there, but the people I have, thank you. Leon, Bronx, who else? Locking Paul, Michael Colley, all you guys. I know there's several I'm forgetting, but all you guys, appreciate the support and hope to see more people coming in there. Need to get some more people on there, grow it a little bit more. Y'all can hear the 3D printers going in the background yet again. It's about a normal thing anymore. I was actually trying to make this video about an hour earlier and the printer kept messing up. So hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, it actually works this time. Yeah, that's the right one. The only downside with this follower is I can't follow it all the way through. Alrighty, yeah, I thought I was only picking 5 in there. He's only got 5 holes pinned up, and all the key pins are in and working. Let's see what he's gonna put in here for us. standard American, so got a couple of serrations on it. Wow. Looks like all these are going to be standard Americans. Except for that one though, it looks like a master pin. It's got no serrations on it. Standard American. And then that's the short American with no serrations on it. And I forgot my flashlight up on top. This one has, is that undercutting or is that just pin wear? Pick and find out. Nope, that's just where the pins are wearing on it. Looks like it's been picked a few times. Alright. American serrated spool. Another serrated spool. And another one. Another serrated spool. And another one. That would explain why I got the false set right off the bat. Just putting a tension wrench in it, I got a false set, so that explains it. All the springs are the same, and no threading or anything like that in there. This is a bone stock American, folks. To be honest, I was kind of hoping there was going to be something fun in there. Alright. I'm sure all of y'all know what American pins look like. Serrated on the key pin on one, serrated spool on the driver. Very, very lightly serrated key pin on two. Same serrated spool in the driver. Standard in 3, serrated spool. Serrated in 4, and another serrated spool, and yeah. Standard in 5, and serrated spool for the driver. Alright folks, I've got that done. So go show Mr. Bill Bacardi some love. He needs support. You know, it always hurts when you lose someone. It hurts just as bad when you lose a pet. You know, I know his loss is his animal that he's had for years, but it still hurts. Been there, done that. That sucks. So go show him some support. Come on over to the Discord channel. We'll have plenty of stuff on there. Lots of great people on there already. So add some more. Let's get it built up. That way we can get some more. People on there and get some lock community support. But until next time, keep it legal, and I will talk to you later.